Hello boys and girls, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you'll want to become friends and you'll hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And if you're returning, thank you so much for joining me for another video. I have an unboxing for you and it's BoxyCharm for January 2023. Wow. Happy New Year. I cannot believe it. 2023 already. So we're going to go through this box, see what's worth it, and yeah, let's do it. All right, this is my PR box. So I get gifted this box monthly by BoxyCharm. It's the base box. It is $27.99 plus a $1.99 handling fee and taxes, which comes out to about $31, $32 a month. At least in my area, that's what it is with taxes. And you get 5 full-size items, and it's a combination of beauty tools, makeup, and skincare. So here we go. Super excited today for this box, and let's do it. All right, so we'll start with my least favorite thing. This Shayna B Miami Cream Blush, $18 value. And it says it's a natural looking finish and it's a long lasting formula. Let me tell you, I swatched this and it is very patchy. Now you might be able to put it on with a brush. I don't know if I want to try it and mess up my makeup. But when I did use it earlier, it was, so let's try putting it on my hands with a brush. Oh, wow. Okay. Because it was really, really patchy. It doesn't really apply with a brush. All right, let's do it with my finger, showing you guys again. It just dries down like immediately and you can't move it around. So I do not like it at all whatsoever. It'll definitely be going in the garbage. All right, let's move on. We are all pretty much fans of Earth Harbor, but I'm so tired of getting oils. I don't know about you guys. This here is the Nebula. Let me see what the value is. $46. My goodness. What is this for? It's supposed to help de-stress skin prone to acne, blemishes, and excess oil. Really? Okay. Let me pull it out. That is a definite pretty bottle. But let's see what it does on the back of my hand. Whoa, okay. Don't even have to press down on the squeezy part. Okay. Oh, okay. It's definitely, it's hydrating and it leaves a little bit of a glow here. But I'm not quite sure. I mean, I guess you could use this and not worry about your skin getting too glowy because it doesn't feel like some other oils do. I don't know. I'll have to use it. We will have to be continued. Okay, next, and I did use it. It is on my eyes. Where'd it go? Okay, it's here somewhere. Not sure where, but it's here. Here it is. All right, by True and Luscious Angel Eyes Primer. This here, I accidentally put too much on my eyes, but it has a little tip right here. There was no seal or anything. It's definitely creamy. It's when it does dry down, it blends out well, but it's not to the point where you can't move it. And some primers, if you put too much, you can't come back from it and you have to wipe it off. That I did not have a problem with this, and I used too much. So that's not bad. And let me tell you what. Wait a minute. Oh, there it is. $22 value. All right, the next item I want to talk about is the Persona. This here, what do they call it? A tinted lip balm, a sheer lightweight tinted lip balm. Okay, which I love lip balms this time of year because my lips get super dry. I just can't stand the colors. And it doesn't come out as dark as this. Like, I'll do a swatch, but it's just a random kind of bright color, you know? And I mean, I usually don't have a lot of luck with the tinted lip balms, but this isn't too bad. It's just that I don't want my lips pink, and they're pink, you know? And it does crumble a little bit, so I mean, you might want to use your finger when applying it. Otherwise, you know, it's fine. It's not real hydrating though, so it's just very light. It's not like a balm I would use this type of year. Okay, now, oh, my favorite by Wander Beauty, the Sweet Escape palette. It has a $42 value. Now, this palette here reminds me of the glitter shadows from the Glamlight palettes. Look at that. It is super pretty. This was by far my favorite. Let me just show you guys. Oh, look at that. But you're going to get fallout. I just want you guys to know you're going to get fallout. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? Yeah, it's on my eyes today. Oh, I just love that. Look at that golden color. It's going to be perfect for when springtime comes. Yeah, I'm already thinking about it. There's like 70 days, right? 70 days until spring. Anyhow, be careful with it because there is fallout. Now, the matte shades were definitely very pretty and they did blend out just fine. Just make sure you're using the right brush. I happen to use a Morphe brush from the Jack and Hill collection and it blended just fine with that. So let's recap and then I'm going to put the total value of this box on the screen for you. We got the Wander Beauty Sweet Escape palette, the I Can't Stand It Shayna B cream blush, then the Angel Eyes by True and Luscious primer, eyeshadow primer, and then we got the Persona Lip Balm, and then the Earth Harbor. So not a bad box. I mean, it doesn't wow me except for the palette. The palette I do like, but I do want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you get BoxyCharm? Do you know that Ipsy Glam Bag X, the curator, is Bailey Sarian? I'm kind of excited about that one. I may have to get it. We're going to see about that, but I do want to talk to you about everything down in the comments. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Take that red button, turn it gray, say hello to me down in the comments, and I cannot wait to get to know you, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye!